So I have an update. I got these 4 Lantanas in yesterday, and I probably have all the colors I can have. I think except yellow. I don't see yellow anyway, or I mean single color. And I also got the red pomelo and a pixie mandarin. So that's them. And I got about a week ago a red globe grape, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna be planting it this week. The bulbs are, well, the daffodils at least are out. They got attacked by snails and the irises, so I'm gonna be labeling them so I know which color is which. I'm seeing the powdery mildew creeping up, so I'm gonna have to up the dose for my copper fungicide, and lots of aphids. I take them down every day. I might have to use an organic pesticide because they can really affect the plant because they're on the new growth. So these are bulbs. Almost very few of them came up. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see what happens with them. I noticed that the supposed poet's wife, it's not the poet's wife. It's a nice rose, but it doesn't smell anything, and it's white or light pink, I'm not sure. Yeah, the smell is insignificant. The roses are doing well though, and as well as pretty much every plant, the wisterias are going nuts. This is the last one to come out. This is the Claramak, and yeah, it's also like coming out strong. The Betty Matthews is about to flower. 1, 2. This is the Nivea. I haven't seen any buds on it, but we'll see. Any flower buds. Sinensis prolific, Sinensis alba. This one is it's taken off. This is longwood purple. And yeah, it's sort of coming out. I mean, it's progressing. This one hasn't done almost anything. And I've been harvesting the would-be flowers of the onions. This is doing well. This is the Trachelospermum jasminoides. I've taken this. This is trying to form some new flower buds. There it is. This is a black dragon. This one is just booming. Just big leaves, and yeah, big growth. 1, 2, there's 3 there. I don't think we're not getting any flowers this year, and maybe not even next year. Again, this one, Banksia, is pretty standard behavior. It's going nuts. This one is started to flower. It's beautiful. They're not open yet, but it's very soon. I've removed some of the onions. I have to place some straw on that to protect from the heat. It's already over 20 degrees and it's making a difference. Just trying to find. There was one more flower, like onion flower. I have to take it off. The kumquat is forming new fruits. So I'm gonna have to prune the Cercis canadensis since it's flowered now. Cut. This one hasn't flowered yet, but you can see it's got attacked by aphids also, and I haven't been taking care of that. The fig trees are going nuts as well for a couple of weeks now. These ones here, there. The one thing I'm a bit, it's quite disappointing that the big kumquat has done nothing, like nothing. Hasn't shown any improvement. It started to curl its leaves, some of them, but I'm pretty sure I'm watering it. I'm not watering it a lot. So yeah, I don't understand what's going on. The Gemini says it's building up its roots. We'll see. This one is still alive, so I don't know how long that's gonna last. This is the red grapefruit. Yeah, this seems okay still. And this one still alive. I think it's gonna make it. This is the Nova Mandarin. This is the Cara orange. The red Washington navels, red flesh. Eureka is flowering and growing. This one as well, Mercinus. Look at this Mercinus here, just going, wow, so full, so pretty. Another Mercinus, different. The rose, the wild rose is doing well, much better than last year so far. I mean, I keep spraying it with my special solution. This has come out quite a lot. This is Cistus agnus, or sorry, Vitex agnus. I don't remember what it's called as the common name. The Mandarin is okay. It's filling up. I don't see much in the way of deficiencies, although there is some slight discoloration. But I can't complain. I'm not taking care of it as much as I can, so yeah, I should be. I'm just keeping it healthy, I guess. Relatively healthy. So I've started giving them. I've been dissolving. Well, I did this once. I've dissolved 15 grams per 20 liters of my granular fertilizer. It's a 12, 11, 18 the NPK, and yeah, I've watered it through all the potted plants, and yeah, I'll just keep doing that every week along with my spray, the solution I've talked about before, to keep them going healthy and hopefully strong. This one, it's still a mystery, but yeah, I don't have high hopes for it. I think, even though it's healthy, I don't think this is a blue moon. It came out way too early, so I fully expect that this is the wrong plant. It's disappointing to see that the nurseries do these mistakes, and I'm not sure if it's all mistakes, especially the wisteria one. But anyway, not jumping to conclusions. So yeah, this is the update, and yeah, that's it for now.